Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at a serious upgrade for anyone living in a small apartment, a dorm, or those who love to cook on the road in an RV. This is the Nuwave Portable Induction Cooktop Diamond. Induction cooking has been around for a while, but Nuwave is pushing the boundaries of what a compact burner can actually do. Let us start with the core performance. The biggest advantage here is efficiency. This unit converts about 85 to 90% of its electromagnetic energy directly into heat. If you compare that to a traditional stove which only manages about 30%, the difference in boiling time is staggering. You are not just saving time, you are wasting less energy. What truly sets the Diamond apart is its precision. We are talking about 91 different temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in 5-degree increments. This level of control is massive. You can hold a delicate sauce at 100 degrees without fear of breaking it, or crank it up to 500 degrees for a high-heat sear on a steak. Nuwave has also included a smart digital thermometer probe. This is a game-changer for consistent results. Whether you are melting chocolate, heating liquids, or cooking proteins, the probe monitors both ambient and internal temperatures, making real-time adjustments to ensure your food is cooked perfectly every single time. It also comes with 4 programmed recipes for things like boiling pasta, making soup, deep frying, and cooking rice, along with 46 memory slots to save your own favorite settings. In terms of build quality, you get a 12-inch shatterproof ceramic glass surface. It feels robust, cleans easily, and is designed to handle high heat without compromise. Safety is clearly a priority here too. The unit shuts off automatically when your timer is done, it will not heat up if there is no pot detected, and because it is induction, there are no open flames or hot coils exposed to touch. It even includes a child lock feature and a mute button if you want to keep your kitchen quiet. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. The pros are obvious. It is incredibly fast, portable, and offers a level of temperature precision that most full-size stoves dream of. Having the probe included right in the box adds immense value for home cooks. On the flip side, keep in mind that you do need induction-compatible cookware for this to work. If your pots are not magnetic, you will need to invest in new gear to use this. Also, while it is compact, it does take up a decent amount of counter space compared to a tiny hot plate, but the performance jump makes the trade-off worth it. If you are looking to save space without sacrificing professional cooking capabilities, this is one of the most capable tools on the market right now. It really brings pro-level technology into a package that fits almost anywhere. Link in the description.